Okay. Oh dear. All packed up. Just about to go to bed. And I started sneezing. And I was like, where's my phone? Where's my phone? And I got it on time. Oh dear. Is it nearly finished? No. Oh my god. It's not finished. Oh, well, I was just about to go to bed. So I don't know what I don't know the reason why I'm sneezing. Maybe because I've just come from outside to inside, and it's yeah, tomorrow I'm free, but I don't know if you can see the time there. It's 1:59 a.m. which is quite a normal time for me because I'm a night owl. Oh, yeah, I think it's nearly finished. Yeah, it's finished. Well, I hope I can get this video onto YouTube, because at the moment my my Sony Vegas Pro software is playing up. When I add a video to it, it either has no audio or it has no video. I don't know what's wrong with it. And if it doesn't, if my video software doesn't work, then I have to upload it just from my phone. Anyway, folks, love you all. It's now this morning. It's now the 16th of August, Tuesday, and love you all. Bring on the next vacation. Bye.